So in POS machine, advantage UPOS, how to replace SSD. Start. So once you pack the system, 4 screw is available over here. You need to remove this 4 screw. Just lift out this plate and you will get you will see the SSD is over here. So you need to remove this 2 screw, right? And after that you need to pull back side, and there is a SSD in your hand. And in SSD 4 screw is available. You need to remove this 4 screw, and after that you can so when you placing new SSD, make sure this and this should be on same size, so you will get the perfect position over here. So after that, like this, you need to connect the SSD and 4 screws.